Do you find it challenging to manage multiple features or fixes in your project? The solution lies in branching. In this video, we are diving into the world of Git branches, a powerful tool that allows you to work on different parts of your project simultaneously. Whether you are adding a new feature, fixing a bug, or experimenting with new ideas, branching lets you keep everything organized and under control. So let's start and master the art of Git branching.
In Git, a branch is a separate line of development. It is like a snapshot of your project at a particular point in time, allowing you to work on new features, fixes, or experiments without affecting your main code base. Think of a branch as a copy of your project where you can make changes and these changes are isolated from other branches. The default branch in a Git repository is usually named main, or in all repositories it is master. This is where your stable code lives, the version that is ready to be deployed or shared. But when you want to work on something new, like a feature or a bug fix, you create a new branch. This branch is a copy of the main branch at that moment you created it. But you can modify it without affecting the main branch. Now we will understand why branching is necessary. The first point is isolation of changes. Means branching allows you to isolate your work. When you create a branch, the changes you make in that branch do not affect the main branch or any other branches. This isolation is crucial for developing new features or fixing the bugs without risking the stability of the main code base. Now, the second thing is the collaboration. Branching makes collaboration easier. Multiple developers can work on the different branches at the same time without interfering the others' branches. For example, one developer can work on a new feature in one branch while another fixes a bug in a different branch. So once the work is done, they can merge the changes back to the main branch. The next point is parallel development. So with parallel development, you can work on multiple features or fixes in parallel. The next point is the risk mitigation. Branching reduces the risk of introducing bugs or breaking the code base. Since changes in the branch are isolated, you can test and review them before merging them into the main project. If something goes wrong, it is easy to revert the branch without affecting the rest of the code. Next point is the version control. Branching allows for better version control and management. For example, you create a release branch to prepare for deployment while continuing to develop new features in other branches. This ensures that release branch remains stable and ready for production. What are the general types of branches? The first one is the feature branches, which is used to develop new features. Next one is a bug fix branches, which is used to fix the bugs. Next one is a hotfix branches, which is used for urgent fixes that need to be applied immediately. So these are the three main branches which we are using. Now we will see what are the best practices for branching. The first one is keep the branches short-lived. It is advised to keep the branches short-lived by merging them back into the main branch as soon as the feature or the fix is complete. The next is use descriptive names. Suggest using descriptive names for the branches that clearly indicate the purpose of the branch. Regularly pull changes. Advise regularly pull changes from main branch to keep the feature branch up to date and reduce the merge conflicts. Now I will show how to create branches in GitHub, Github Desktop, and in Git CLI. So in GitHub, open the repository. You can see the number of branches here. Click on it. It will show the details of the branches. Here, main branch and branch one. So to create the branch, click on new branch. Give the branch name and click on create new branch. You can see the branch 2 is added. So now 3 branches are there: main branch, branch 1, and branch 2. So if I come back to the main page, so here also it will be updated as 3 branches. It was 2 branches, now it is 3 branches. So if you see the branch names here, main branch, branch 1 and branch 2. So I check, so branch 2 you can see the same as of the main branch. All the files are there in the branch 2 also. Now I will show how to delete the branch. So click on that branch number. So again, we will come back to this page. Click on the delete button in the right hand side of the branch 2. So this will delete the branch which is created. So it is very easy to create and delete the branches. So I'll go back to the previous page. So here again the branch number of branches updated to 2 branches, and only main branch 1 is available in this. Now I'll go to GitHub Desktop and show how to create and delete the branches. Here only main branch is there right now. So I will first create a branch. So new branch, give the name of the branch and click on create branch. Now the branch is only added to the local repository. We will publish to the remote repository also. So by clicking on this, you can change or switch between the branches. You can see both the main branches and the branch 1 which is created. So if you click on branch option, you will not have the delete option from the default branch which is the main branch. So if you go to the branch 2, you can see the delete option will be enabled. See, the delete option is enabled. Click on the delete option. Yes, if you want to delete the branch from the remote repository also, check the box and click on delete. So it will delete the branch from both the local repository and from the remote repository. So now you can see only one branch will be there. That will be the main branch. The branch 1 is already deleted. Now I will show you how the same is done in the Git CLI. So I have opened the Git bash. So this is our folder repository. So I'll copy the path to change the directory. So this was the default directory. I changed it to my repository directory. So I'm pasting the path. Okay. Now you can see the path is changed to my repository with the main branch as the default branch. So I will create a new branch. So git checkout -b branch 2. That is a branch name I'm giving. So it is created to a new branch 2. Now you can see here it is switched to branch 2. It has created and switched to that particular branch. Now I will switch back to the main branch. So git checkout main. So again you can see it is switched back to my main branch. So I will merge this branch 2 to main branch. So git merge branch 2. So because I am in the main branch, you have to just write git merge branch 2. So this will merge the branch 2 to my main branch. So if I want to delete the branch, it is git branch -d branch name. So branch 2 I will give. So that will delete the branch 2 from the repository. So these are the basic operations to create, add, and to delete the branch in a CLI. Thank you for staying connected. If you have any doubts or clarification required on the topics covered, please do comment in the comment box. We'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you.